What's up, everybody? So I headed up here to West Palm Beach today, and I figured I'd come see my boy Harvey Hutch at Hutch's Welding. Got gold dust. If you guys don't know the truck, it's Harvey's truck. It's called Taylor Swift. I'm gonna go do a little bit of cruising. He wants to drive gold dust. I want to drive Taylor. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Here's his shop. He's got a badass tailgate wall behind me. Berto over here just came in from Texas. It's another cool F100 that he's working on right now. You can't really see it, but pretty badass. So we'll catch you guys when we start to hit the road. See ya. All right. So now I got the man himself, Harvey Hutch. He ain't gonna tell you his real name. Don't even bother asking. So he's gonna tell us a little bit about the truck, and then we're gonna hop in it. We're gonna go cruise a little bit, and it's loud because it's on. So I think he might turn it off. I don't know. Yep, he's turning it off. So what's up, bro?
What up, man? I see you brought my truck, man.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah. I'm gonna own this watch.
He really won't.
I really
at all.
Want it. So the funny thing about this is that I literally dreamt about having a crew, like a modernized crew cab, and a week later, Saul gets one. So I was like, oh, you got my truck, awesome. So anyway,
about your truck, because we're not talking about my truck.
That's something different, man. We're gonna get on that later. So, well, we just aired it up because we're gonna be cruising, but 63 F100 has a 65 grill. I guess we'll just go right to the magic. Twin turbo Coyote. Makes 600 wheel. Hell of a lot of fun to drive. It's on a Crown Vic front suspension. I just put on some Fat Man narrowed control arms, courtesy of Saul. He said he had an extra set, so he hooked me up. They actually work really well and fit. Obviously, you can see you can finally fit some decent wheels behind there. I know that's everybody's problem. What else? 6-speed Tremec GT500 transmission. So it's a manual. All about that stick shift mafia life. The back's full retard custom. I actually just redid it because I ended up breaking some stuff doing some burnouts. Explorer rear end, which those are nice because they come a little narrow, so you're able to run some nice wheels on there. Custom fuel tank I just did. Horn blasters air and horn. Got some titanium drag blocks back there, so we'll do some sparking action later. Yeah, I don't know what else.
I think that's about it.
I think it's quick and simple.
Yeah. So now we're gonna swap keys, and he's gonna drive Gold Dust, and I'm gonna drive Taylor and get one too. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we hit the road. All right, we're over here in the truck. Berto's gonna hold the camera, gonna drive around, hopefully don't wreck it.
Got the man pedal.
Oh yeah, man's mission. No shocks.
too.
Yeah.
The good news is that one has the compass.
Yeah, makes you feel at home, huh?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'll be fine.
We're here. Truck's laid out, looking dope. Hell yeah. See you guys in a little bit. So, me and Hutch made it. He was driving Gold Dust. He had a lot of fun, he said. So, we're just over here on Dixie Highway in West Palm Beach, having a little bit of fun. So yeah, we're probably gonna head back south. So that's that for this little part of the episode. And say bye.
Bye.
Bye.